Part 10 of the most common Habesha names. Hey sis, what does the name Tsehaytu mean? Tsehaytu comes from the word
sun, Tsehaytu.
And the name Tsahai is actually a female name. Then there's a masculine version that would be Tsahaye, which means Tsahai Nate, my son. And then there's Tsahaynish. The nesh suffix always indicates Amharic influence. Tsahaynish would mean you are the son. And last but not least, Tsehaytu. Origin has different versions. One is Tsehaytu, his son, and the other one is Tsehaytu, or look at the sun. But talking about Tsehaytu, we must mention the legendary Kirar player, songwriter, artist Tsehaytu Berafi. In one of her most famous songs, Mejamerafi, she talks about knowing somebody. She's talking about a very close acquaintance.
Culture is cool.